Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Aries, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Queen of Swords, Four of Wands in reverse and Eight of Pentacles in reverse, guys. Aries. So in your situation, guys, Aries, maybe you have some worries, something is bothering you. It may be a situation in your career or it may be something to do in your relationship. Some kind of troubles. Maybe for some of you, this person you love, you may not have that trust on them, guys. So they have their own, they are not concerned about you. So they do not have true love on you and they may be interested in someone else. So some kind of troubles because of that. So this may be your energy or their energy, guys. And whatever you expected, maybe you expected love, but what this person gives you is something else. It is not love, guys. Maybe they are trying to use you in some ways. Maybe you both share a great attraction between each other and intimacy, but that truthful bonding is not there in this connection, guys. So that may be the reason for troubles in your relationship, guys, Aries. And this person maybe is wants to move away from you. They want to take a break away from you, maybe, guys, and it is simply making you sad today, guys, Aries, and you never expected them to do this, or you never expected them to move away from you, and it is simply coming as a shock for you. And Aries, maybe for some of you, you are happy for some things, maybe some good changes in your career, or it may be good changes in your relationship also, guys. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Ace of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, something is happening, something you have no control, guys, and you are simply stressed, troubled by these changes. This person leaving you, or this person not telling you what they feel, and they are suddenly moving out from your life. It is causing a lot of stress. Maybe you trusted this person, you had love and you had hope and faith in your future together, but today they leaving you all of a sudden is causing a lot of worry for you, guys, and your trust and your faith on this person is broken, and that is simply making you cry or breaking you down. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have the Star. So for your career situation, Aries, you are having a lot of dreams and aspirations, and you are having positive intentions for yourself in your work. You are putting in a lot of efforts. You are working in a very determined way. So that may be the reason that things may manifest in the right way in your career situation, guys, Aries. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first choice and this is your second choice. So whatever questions or doubts you have in your mind, you can think about it and choose the card, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card for y'all, for those who have chosen this first card. We have not. So with this card, guys, maybe sometimes we try really hard, we do everything possible within our limit, and we desire for certain things, but no matter how hard we try, the results we seek sometimes elude us, and it is as if we are watching the game from the sidelines. And maybe the appearance of this card just indicates that we are not going to get what we are dreaming for. Maybe our dreams will be fulfilled in a different way, guys. So whatever happens, you need to have that acceptance. That is the energy. So sometimes we face rejection, and we need to understand that rejection is a form of God's protection towards us, guys. So maybe only the right things will reach us. The same way in our relationship, sometimes even in the beginning of the relationship, we may feel that that relationship is bound to move towards failure, guys. And sometimes it may be because certain red flags that appear in that beginning escape our observation, or we refuse to acknowledge them. So we need to understand that certain relationships are not meant to be, and it is not possible for us to make it be just like we dream, guys. So rejection is a sign from the divine that you are protected. And if you are in a situation to reject this person, remember that you are doing that for both your welfare, guys, for your good and for that other person's welfare too. And there is a perfect match for each and every one of us. We should not forget that. Maybe this person may not be our best fit. So sometimes maybe you are interested in someone, or you are in a relationship with somebody, and maybe there are troubles in this connection. You need to understand that if you feel that it is not going to work, you can stop making it work, guys, and see where things are going with this connection. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this crystal and this card. It is black tourmaline. So with this card in your situation, guys, it just stands for healthy boundaries, guys. So when we have good fences, we make good relationships. So the appearance of this card just means that we have to know when is the time to be alone and when is the time to be together. And if you are feeling tired lately, maybe somewhat bored or somewhat lethargic or tired, you need to understand that you are neglecting yourself at some given level, and you are giving too much, maybe suffering from empathy, or suffering or depending on someone too much. Maybe that may be the reason. You have to see what it is. And you should not yearn love through self-sacrifice, guys, or not feel overwhelmed in your relationship. So this is the time for that. This is the time. Maybe you are even matched with your soulmate, but whatever it is, you need time for yourself. You need time for yourself, and time to give that other person freedom, and time to enjoy certain things together. Maybe you need to spend time alone or spend time with your friends or do something alone. That is going to help you in a better way, guys, make you more relaxed in your relationship and make you more fulfilling and nurturing in this connection. So you need to understand where you need to stop your indulgence on that other person or their indulgence on you. So that is the reading with this card, guys, with this crystal spirit. That is the energy. And thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.